This summer, one man will keep avoiding expensive boat repairs. Kisimul, Episode 17. The work never ends. So this is one of the situations where there's not a lot for me to show you on this video, but I just needed some time on the boat by myself, and it's June, summer is coming, it's June, and I just really wanted to spend some time in here, so I just make it happen. And the weather is nicer, so I can set up the outside table with the cushions. A little windy, but still fairly warm. And I just want to let everyone know that we're still here. We're still working on Kisimul, but it has been busy. YouTube doesn't pay us any money yet, so we have jobs. I work as a paramedic, and it's very busy. And my wife has a landscaping business, and she's very busy, and we have kids and we have family. So for the last month and a bit, we haven't posted anything. So I didn't come to the boat to make a video, but now that I'm on the boat, I brought everything to make a video. I also have a drone, so I'll get some footage of that. Just so you all know, we are still on this boat thing. We're still working on it. There's a couple more repairs that we need before we can get it out in the water. And I have a friend that's a marine mechanic that's gonna help me out next week, and we're just still working on it. You don't need to see every little tiny thing we do on here, but I will show you about today and tomorrow a couple things that I do around the boat, and just hang out with me for the night. Like I said, got the outside table ready. It's about 6 p.m. It's daylight until 9:30, so I'll just hang out for a little bit and I'll have dinner outside. Just enjoy the views, the location, and looking forward to flying the drone. And even with the wind, the drone has this ability to calibrate itself so it stays balanced with this internal gimbal. Really cool, really cool. I think you're gonna enjoy the video no matter what, but don't expect to see a lot of repairs. We're just a night on the boat, just hanging out with me. Okay, welcome back. So I want to show you something. Just want to update you a little bit. There's no marketing. I'm not sponsored, but I thought I'd show you something really cool. So this is the little drone I got, DJI Mini 4K, and inside of this screen there's the camera. Cool little device. It doesn't come with this box. I just bought this box and I made it into the protection box for the drone. A really cool setup. I just flew it a little bit. It's really windy, so there's warnings about the wind when I fly it. But yeah, I attach the phone up here, and there's a cord in there and everything. Anyways, really cool setup. It's gonna allow me to take a few more fancy shots, right? Like slowly but surely we are expanding the equipment. Same with this newer mics. I think you've seen these mics before. Same thing. DJI mics with the windscreen. Super windy, so it's good to have the windscreen today. And then, yeah, the drone with this protective box. Box is just an Amazon find, but highly recommended if you guys get as a drone. Oh yeah, that's my name, Augusto. Yeah, just a little something I want to show you all.
Evening wind clears my workday wear. Cook myself a meal, ease the empty air. smoke rolls in, chase on my cares. Time on my own, can't be uncompared. You walk right in, broke my peace of mind. Lit up my heart, then left me far behind.
Delicious.
Late night thoughts keep spinning all the time. Lost in your vibe, lost my peace of mind. I try to lock my feelings down. Old memories still hang around. Can't let you go, won't make a sound. Hide all my heartache underground.
Hey guys.
The spark you gave to me, but I won't lose my liberty. Falling hard, but I still stay me.
Well, I was hoping to fly the drone and make a beautiful evening sunset clip, but not that much sunset, and looks a lot brighter on the camera than it actually is. So it's cloudy. But anyways, I'm tired. It's been a busy day doing absolutely nothing. I'm gonna sleep right here because that forward V-berth is all full of junk. So I'm just gonna set up my stuff in here.
Chase on my cares, time on my own, can't be uncompared. You walk right in, broke my peace of mind. Lit up my heart, then left me far behind. Late night thoughts keep spinning all the time. Lost in your vibe, lost my peace of mind. I try to lock my feelings.
Good night, and thanks for hanging out.
Memories still hang around. Can't let you go, won't make a sound. Hide all my heartache underground. I love the spark you gave to me, but I won't lose my liberty. Falling hard, but I still stay me. Quietly fade back to the street.
Good morning. It's 6 in the morning. No, just kidding. It's 8 or 9 in the morning. So that was a good night. I actually slept on this side. It was very, very comfy. Woke up today and it's raining, as you can see out there. The rain is welcome because everything is very, very dry, and we had a lot of wildfires within the last few years, and we don't need any more wildfires. And the rain also gave me the chance to find a leak down here. These are the nuts on the rails that move this companionship, whatever you call this, the companionway cover. So I'll have to figure this out. Looks yucky. Not very nice. Other than that, coffee was had, teeth were brushed. I'm gonna have another coffee and wait for the rain to kind of slow down a little bit and do a little work, try to fix that bracket. But yeah, I just want to check in, say good morning, and companionway, that's what this is called, the companionway. And yeah, that's about it. We'll talk to you in a little bit. This summer, one man will keep avoiding expensive boat repairs. In episode 17 of Kisimul Sailing, we are still floating.
City and color, the way that you see, the way you see it. Don't you wish that I could give you everything?